Today we're gonna make waffle. By the way, this is my first video. I wanna show you how to make a waffle and show the ingredients. Okay. First, we're gonna do the egg, but I removed the white one because the smell is not good. Okay. And now we got with sugar, half cup of sugar. Because we don't have the measurement, we do the cup. Okay. And then while mixing, next is oil. Half cup of oil. And then half cup of milk. This is the only a trial because this is my first time video, okay? And then what flour? Just I using the spoon, 5 spoon. It's meant 1 cup, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a little powder, just like this. Not more, like that. Okay. And then put a little bit vanilla. So we're done. We're finished mixing. We're gonna cook it. Okay. While we're mixing, I will do the waffle machine. We're gonna put it oil. So we cannot hold in the pan. Okay. Gonna put the apple and then when it's done until finished, do it until again. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is my first time video. Like that. Close it until done. See, this is the finishing waffle. So if you want to put something, you put added Nutella, you add honey, anything you want to add it. Bye.